Hey, hello friends. Welcome on your favorite channel Talks and Tales. This is Amrita and I'm back with, another interesting video. So friends, our today's topic is World Intellectual Property Day. So in this video, we will know about its importance and in addition, we will see what exactly intellectual property is. So let's jump into it. World Intellectual Property Day. This day is celebrated on 26th April every year. This day is celebrated to learn about the role that intellectual property rights play in encouraging innovation and creativity. So basically, it aims of increasing general understanding of IP, means intellectual property. So now the question is, who has approved this day? So this day is approved by WIPO. So we'll know a little bit about WIPO. WIPO stands for World Intellectual Property Organization. It promotes the protection of intellectual property worldwide. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. So now we will move towards intellectual property, for which this World Intellectual Property Day is celebrated. Intellectual property. It means whatever you have created by your brain, mind, imagination, creativity and innovation, that idea comes under it. So we can refer it as creations of the mind such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs and symbols, names and images used in commerce. You must have seen the logos and images of the companies. So that comes under intellectual property. So we will go ahead with its types. Types of IP means intellectual property. So first type is copyright. Copyright is a legal right of protecting a creator's work. So this means whatever content the creator created cannot be used or published by anyone else without the consent of the owner. The length of copyright protection may vary from country to country. Second type is patents. We will see what patent is. It is an exclusive right granted for an invention. So in other words, patent protection means that the invention cannot be commercially made, used, distributed, imported or sold by others without the patent owner's consent. It is for a particular period of time. Moving towards the third type, trademarks. A trademark is a unique corporate symbol, design, or words used to represent a business or its products. Once registered, that same mark, symbol, or series of words cannot be used by any other organization forever as long as it remains in use and proper paperwork and fees are paid. And they are marked with the capital letters T and M in a circle. So now we will see the fourth type, industrial design. These rights protect the visual design of objects. And industrial design consists of the creation of a shape, configuration or composition of pattern or color containing aesthetic value. These rights protect the visual design of object. Now geographical indications. So what it is? It is a sign used on products that have a specific geographical origin and possess qualities or a reputation that are due to that origin. This GI sign must identify a product as originating in a given place. In addition, the qualities, characteristics or reputation of the product should be essentially due to the place of origin. Since the qualities depend on the geographical place of production, there is a clear link between the product and its origin place of production. So now trade secrets. Trade secrets consist of formulas, designs, instruments, patents, or compilations of information that have inherent economic value. In other words, trade secrets means confidential information of the company which may be sold or licensed. They have the features of not being public, offering some economic benefit, and being actively protected. Trade secret gives the company a competitive advantage over its competitors and is often a product of internal research and development. So, friends, to sum up, World Intellectual Property Day is celebrated for increasing general understanding of IP, that is intellectual property, and we had seen what IP is. So friends, for more such informative videos, you can check the description. And yes, thank you for your like and for subscribing the channel. And I'm sure you must have clicked on bell button on all notifications. So take care friends. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.